Rex Chance, June 13th, 1937. It's only been a day since I've arrived on the island, but it feels like a week. I haven't slept at all, but somehow I'm not feeling tired. Lucy and I have been working around the clock trying to repair the hovercraft. This thing is practically held together with chewing gum and baling wire, with each repair causing 2 more problems. But our biggest issue is fuel. There's a depot on the next island, but it's also a fairly obvious place for us to walk into an ambush.
We're looking for a man and a woman traveling in a big flying train.
A flying train? You're kidding, right?
Have you ever known me, kid? I'm dead serious. Find them, or else.
There's the fuel depot.
It should be easy to get there. The ice has bridged the strait.
I don't think it's gonna be that easy.
What do you mean?
Look, that's gonna mean trouble. Back to the lab. Pick up your feet.
How can I help you? That shouldn't be a problem.
New objective, boss.
Ready for action. No problem.
Objective done. Great work, boys.
Oh, no! Heads up! Those beasts are coming!
Level 2 research is complete.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Good job. But that fuel isn't getting here by itself.
Gee, why don't I just go over there and ask nice?
Why don't you, Mr. Chance?
Please, just call me Rex. What's next? Let's go. Ready. No problem. Let's go. Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
I'm on it. Right. Let's go.
The critters are under attack.
Sounds like a plan. No problem. Let's go.
The critters are under attack.
Sounds like a plan. No problem.
Rex is being attacked. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. I surrender. Please, don't let your creatures eat me.
Give us some of your fuel and I won't let them hurt you.
Sure. I'll even carry it for you. But you and your creatures will have to protect me. I don't like being eaten. Objective done. Great work, boss. We got new objectives.
What's next? Let's go.
The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service.
The critters are under attack. Henchmen under attack. The critters are under attack. Objective done. Great work, boss. I got scares.
Oh, do you ever?
Charming. This'll keep us flying for a while.
I done good then?
Yeah. Look, I've got a proposition for you.
But geez, I'm flattered, Mr. Chance, but I don't, I ain't into, you know.
Look, friend, it's nothing like that. You seem like a competent guy. How would you like to work for us?
I don't like Julius one bit, but if I work for you, he'll send Whitey after me.
What's a whitey?
He's referring to Whitey Hooten, Julius's head thug who keeps all the men in line. Most of them hate Julius, but do what he says because they're afraid of the consequences.
Listen, buddy. If you help us out, I promise I'll protect you.
They'd probably kill me for failing to capture you anyway, so, okay. I'll help you. There's a building over at the base that you might want to look at. It makes the beasts extra tough, and we were sending them over to torment them villages real bad. I feel awful about it, too, but, I'm a changed man.
Hold on.
Set down somewhere closer to the enemy base. Lucy, we're not quite done here yet. Let's locate this structure and clear those islands once and for all.
I don't think it's a good idea to stick around, Rex.
Objection noted. But I don't want Whitey's goons attacking the village the moment we leave, and I'm gonna need you to look at this structure. The henchmen can gather the coal, and we'll go spoil Whitey's fun.
I should have stayed in school. I'm tired of chipping coal.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda, pal.
You can recruit more of us from the lab, but, we don't work for free. It's gonna cost you. New objective, boss. We got new objectives.
Right away.
Hello? Okay.
What's next?
The critters are under attack. Objective done. Great work, boss. They're destroying our buildings.
Ready. I'm on it. Rex Chance at your service. Let's go. Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack. Objective done. Great work, boss.
No problem.
The critters are under attack. 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 The critters are under attack.
How can I help you? That shouldn't be a problem.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. Objective done. Great work, boss.
I have the genetic amplifier plans now, Rex. It's a very impressive piece of work, so I doubt Whitey Hooten had anything to do with this one. I'll know more when we build it. For science.
The critters are under attack. 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 Objective done. Great work, boss.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Where to?
I'm here for my father. So let's head back to his lab and see what we can find.
Julius's men are sure to look for us there.
I'm betting on it, Lucy.